Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you step by step on how to enable the 3D map view in the Waze app on your phone. If you enjoy a more immersive navigation experience, switching to 3D mode can make your routes clearer and easier to follow. In this video, I will walk you through the simple step. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, find and select Map Display. Finally, locate the Map View section and choose the 3D option. Once selected, your map will switch from the traditional 2D flat view to a 3D perspective, giving you a better sense of depth and surroundings. That is all it takes to activate the 3D map view on Waze. This small change can improve your navigation clarity and make driving safer and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.